Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a Zone Mojito. First, you'll want to gather about 10 fresh mint leaves and 2 lime wedges. Place these into your serving glass. Next, add 2 teaspoons of your chosen sweetener, like simple syrup or granulated sugar. Now, gently muddle these ingredients together for about 10 to 15 seconds to release their aromatic oils and juices. This step is crucial for a flavorful drink. Once your mint and lime are muddled, it's time to add the spirits. Carefully pour 2 ounces of good quality white rum into the glass. Following that, squeeze in 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Fresh is always best for a vibrant taste. Give it a quick stir to combine the liquids with the muddled ingredients. Finally, fill your glass completely to the top with crushed ice. Now for the refreshing fizz. Top off your drink with about 3 ounces of chilled club soda. You can adjust this amount to your preference for fizziness. Give the entire mixture a gentle stir from the bottom to ensure all the flavors are well combined without losing too much carbonation. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your mojito with a fresh mint sprig and a thin lime wheel. And there you have it, your very own perfectly crafted Zone Mojito. Take a moment to savor the balanced and refreshing flavors you've created. This recipe is designed to yield one delicious serving, perfect for a relaxing evening or a small gathering. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with the sweetness or lime to suit your taste. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check out the description below. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.